Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2021 Aviara 32 Outboard. The Aviara was debuted in 2019. It has a history with Mastercraft, who's been around for 50 years. This boat specifically designed by Aviara to be a luxury day boat. This particular model has twin 300 Mercury outboards. It has Aviara designed sea deck interpretation throughout the boat. Lots of seating and storage on this boat. It really is an ultimate entertaining day boat. So we have storage underneath the lounge seating at the aft with multiple seating positions with stadium seating. Cup holders in the rear, storage underneath. As we walk through, see more cup holders, trash, table in the cockpit, plenty of seating for either lounging out or fitting 5 or 6 people back here. Underneath the seats is more storage. And with this being the outboard model, the back portion lifts up for storage of water toys, fenders, pretty much anything that you can fit in there without the engines being underneath. Cup holders, there's 12 speakers on this boat, awesome sound system, speakers on the roof as well. We also have a cooler, not just one, but 2 insulated Aviara branded coolers, as well as the refrigerator in the prep center, along with prep surfaces and a sink. As we move forward, the helm, bolsters, chilled cup holders, everything has gone pretty much digital on the Aviara. For our controls, we control lighting, we can control the windlass, the hatches, GPS, fish finder, and Mercury vessel view as the dashboard for the engines. The Aviara with the twin outboards does come with the joystick piloting, as well as Mercury's digital throttle system. We do have a spacious head, plenty of storage in the head itself. I'm 6'1" and have plenty of headroom. As we move forward to the bow, we have a windshield and a divider to keep the breeze from coming through. We have the sun lounge set up front. We can remove this cushion with a pop-up table, and it's very safe feeling up here. At my height, it rises up to about my shoulder, so even little kids up here are going to feel really safe and comfortable. We do have audio controls throughout, up on the bow and the stern. And for sun protection, the hardtop does have a pop-out sunshade, all controlled by the electronics on the dash. It's a very Mediterranean-styled, very user-friendly, manageable for one person, but easily can afford to have 10 people on board with plenty of room to move around. Again, it's a luxury day boat, great experience on the Aviara 32. You can come see it here at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, at MarineMax.com, or give us a call at 860-661-4761. Thanks.